What's up? Wanted to do a little quick video to show you our first step at our Prius Stealth Camper conversion. Show you what we did. Looks like we have some tinted blacked out windows there. Little sunshade. Nothing too obvious. Hence the stealth. When you get back here, you open up the entrance to the traveling pod hotel. See what we did? We made some window covers for all the windows except for the front, using some insulation from Home Depot or Lowe's, duct tape, a little bit of fabric on the outside, black fabric, and then cute fabric on the inside to make it feel nice and cozy and homely. Close that up, crawl in through the side entrance. This is how dark it looks. Pretty dark. We'll get in here, show you how it looks. Oh yeah, we made these tabs here. Let me get out here. On the side windows, so we've made tabs. We found the instructions on how to make these online with the insulation and the fabric and the duct tape, and we did our own little touches with some duct tape tabs for removal, and then we added these buttons for like a little fold down, so we created like a little gap here in the insulation so that it can fold down, and then some tabs with buttons so that you can button that down and have a little gap for if you want to have the window open at night. Just imagine that cracked open. And then we have some bug net covers. We made it so that it's a snug fit. You just kind of jam it in there, so we didn't have to put any Velcro or magnets. Just kind of fits right in there. So I'll crawl back in, show you how dark it gets. So it's not perfect, as you can see. There's some gaps, but it's good enough for our needs. You can see how dark it gets. Looking around, made this little light, so if you want to cozy up on inside. Woo! Go to sleep. There you have it. Step 1, or Prius camper conversion.